What's up, guys? WilderSide here. And man, do I got a video for you guys today. This video is actually on a mansion walk around, okay? And I was just told by this thing from my brother. Him and his girlfriend live down the driveway from this house. They actually live in the old security house. And as we were walking up, I asked him if he knew any information on the house, because we were granted access to it to go walk around and go look, as long as we didn't destroy anything. It was a-okay. So I jumped on it instantly. I'm like, yeah, let's go look at it. I want to see this house. Shut up and take me. And on the way up there, he was telling me a story about how the house got seized from police, and this guy was driving around the town with a 50 cal on his roof, which didn't make any sense to me. I thought that would at least be something to hit Facebook's standard of news. And I was like, dude, like this sounds ridiculous. How is this even possible? He's like, look it up. And I did, and it was just the whole 50 cal on the roof thing was a stretch, because that did not happen at all. I looked everywhere I could, and that did not happen. But house was seized by police. The man that did own the house was arrested and sentenced to 10 years, actually, in prison for the things that were found in the house. And the house was seized from police. Now, what they found in the house was, 350 pounds of marijuana, that was worth, I guess, a little over $3 million, which sounds pretty ridiculous to me. And, a bunch of guns and stuff, and the 50 cal. So I can see how that fled into his story a little bit, but I don't know where he heard that story from. So I'm like, all right, so this is already pretty interesting, looking more into it. And yeah, the guy he was arrested. Didn't say really why the police wanted to go there or what was the reason to it. But that he was apparently trafficking things in between different states. And he was charged, like I said, 10 years for that. But he did plead guilty, which got him the 10 years. If he did not plead guilty, he was going to most likely get the 12-year minimum. And in that minimum, you have to serve 85%. Well, him pleading guilty got him 10 years, but it can have him out in 5, along with the time that he's already served, along with the court date. So that's a good side for him and everything. So, and on top of that, they didn't take everything. They seized the house. They seized his bank account. They took all the money in the house. I'm assuming took his other cars. And they seized, what was it? Yeah, a 1988 fire truck. Doesn't make any damn sense to me. Why the fuck somebody's just going to have a fire truck? Maybe he redid it or something like that, but I just can't see the reason to just repossess it. If they really... Oh, man, that's just crazy to me. What else was there? Yeah, found a bunch of other guns in there with some ammo. But we're also in the Midwest, so, you're going to have that. The only little good part to it is that I guess at the end of his, I would say, minimum of 5 years stay on there, is that if he's able to get out, he does at least have a vehicle. It was a minivan given to him by his mother, apparently in the news article that I read, that it was given to him by his mother. He also gets a trailer. I don't know if that's a trailer for carrying anything or like a live-in trailer, pop-up trailer or something like that, and 3 ATVs. So, he does get a little bit of something when he gets out. So if he wanted to, he could possibly sell them all or something and, try to go live somewhere else or, do his thing under the radar. But, yeah, it kind of sucked for the guy, at least it sounds like, he kind of put himself in a shitty situation and got stuck with a stick up his ass, basically. and you lost everything for it. But I mean, some of everything. But I mean, the only thing that has there's been in the video, you're going to see that there's no vandalization. There's no vandalization there, or There's been nothing fucked up. There you go. So, I mean, the only thing that did happen in the house was that after his arrest, that January after everything was seized out, there was a burst pipe, a frozen pipe that burst and flooded most of the house. So that you'll see in the video also. There'll be, drywall, 3-4 feet up that got cut down, or entirely missing and removed out of there, along with some carpet, a lot of carpet and stuff because of that reason. But I mean, yeah, that's really on all the history of the house. Like I said, I mean, I heard crazy stories like that of the guy having a cougar or something like that, or a tiger chained up in the corner of his pool house. What was the other one? Some like the craziest one I heard was that the whole driveway will sink down and go into an underground garage, like a bat cave, and that one was that's blown out of proportion, like he's fucking Bruce Wayne or something. But yeah, I mean, I hope you guys really like it. Hope you guys enjoy it. There's very little cuts in this video, just from my camera focusing in and out. So hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, comment, share to whoever. Honestly, I don't give a shit. Just watch the video.
Like crazy shit. You'll see blood from a dog going here. What? Yeah, the police shot them. What? 3 of them.
How does dude just lose a house like this?
He got fucking...
Get raided for having a 50 cal on your roof. The house talks to you, too.
Yeah.
What?
It's like some fucking...
Someone's got their beer right there.
This fucking place.
Bro.
4 staircases.
There's cameras?
Everywhere. I think I have like 60-something cameras. Right here's some of the...
Oh my god.
Right there's some of the blood. You want to see the pool?
Bro, I just need to walk through this bitch real quick.
It's going to be a lot.
What the fuck?
Yeah, come this way. You want to see what the house looks like from like an aerial view?
Bro.
You want to see what the house looks like from an aerial view? Fucking sick. Right there's the pool though. Right there's what the house looks like. It's an aerial view.
Oh my god.
Right here, this little circle thing is the sauna.
Oh my god, that's
Jacuzzi or hot tub.
That's the house looks
Fucking
like.
big ass pool. That thing's like 13, 14 feet deep.
Alright, well, let's just keep going. I gotta edit some of this shit out.
You want to go downstairs to the bar? See, this house is so sick. You're gonna be, it's literally a maze, dude. It's a fucking maze. It's not like a house. It's like 5 houses put together with like hallways. The camera right here, dude.
In this house, we do real. We do mistakes.
What is it? What was Roxy? Rottweiler. Yeah, he had 3 Rottweilers that were killed. Rottweiler.
Oh, that's a bloody footprint. Bro, why'd they tear up carpet?
Because it flooded. And it flooded. Like right here's the most updated area of the house, I feel like. That's the only shit we got safe. Nothing's updated.
So did they like rip this house apart looking for stuff? Or did someone else do it?
Alright, let's show me more. Let's go downstairs. Let's go downstairs.
No, I mean to like see it.
So I'm telling you right now, bro, there's still a hiding spot in this house.
I know.
There's hidden room. I guarantee you all.
What's this? Why are there maps?
That's what I said.
Does kids live here?
Yeah, 3 kids. 3 kids. Did you see the Toyota in the garage, Jake, at the other house?
Yeah.
That came with the house.
Is that yours? Or what? Dude, I'll buy it.
I'll buy it.
$200.
Flat screens in every room. There's a mount in every room for a flat screen.
Dude, I might just see that for the house.
Damn, man, they seriously ripped everything out of here. Fucking look at this. Bro, they seriously got to keep that fucking, like, evil villain fucking table in there. They severely have to keep that in there. Oh, yeah. It's crazy how it still smells like chlorine.
I guarantee it.
Huh? So what's going on, Yos? How much more of the house is left? Then show me the shit, because all your...
Your best bet, try to get lost. And you walk up those stairs, that's the garage, Jake. Go to your left. Up those stairs, to your right. There you go, go stairs.
Oh my god. Oh, I would fucking die for this garage. I would fucking kill for all this space. Enjoy the pool. No, it's going to be something quick access, or it's going to be something that's like ridiculous. Like, look at, like, there's be something under this, but you got to look for slide marks.
For snacks. Snacks?
No, not that hungry. Oh, where the fuck are we?
In case you get lost in the big house.
Is this where we first came in? Yes, it is. Dude, fuck a game of hide and seek here.
I know. Can we get drunk here tonight?
That sounds really fun. Sounds super fun.
I am down.
Half these lights are on. I can't even understand why. Dude! Oh, how do you fucking turn that light on? He's got a fucking red light in here.
That's scary.
Yeah, that means he processed pictures in here.
Over weed. Getting on the road.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Why would you need to have this light in here?
No, it's a heat light.
For what?
Feel it. It's a heat light. To dry you off.
That's cool.
That's super cool. But no, you have red lights like that so you can see, but it doesn't damage. It's not. It's a light ray that won't damage like negatives of film. Fuck, man.
Dad told me this dude used every room in his house.
I'd imagine so. Why the fuck somebody would put this up for no reason? Hey, what? This is where you put guns at. Because they're slightly off. So you have finger hole, barrel. Bro, he literally put handguns right here. Where'd you guys go?
We ran around the house.
Let me see your lighter.
Yeah, it would be fun.
Back to the pool. You could run a lap.
Adapt and overcome. Be a good person and good things will happen.
Weirdo.
Yeah. I guess not a single inspirational moment.
Downstairs.
This is fucking gnarly, bro. Oh, dude, there's blood stains all over. Right here, look at it, there's blood stains all over.
The fuck are you? No, here's the security. Back up.
Here. This is fucking nuts. Cops don't give a shit. They never have, they never will. Here's the shit that I'm talking about. This house is just so fucking insane. Like, I thought the house that I fucking rented in McHenry over by the outdoor was big, dude, but this is fucking huge. And we're just running around here like a bunch of dumbasses. Oh my god, I love this bathroom. Dude. Sauna!